Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vedaant's World. Today we are going to use the same ingredients to draw a earth, a duster or a rubber if you are willing to draw it on a paper, a marker or a pencil and a scale. Let's start it. Now you have to make like this. Follow my steps and then do it. A full round circle. Wait, mine didn't come. Perfect. Let me do it again. This part is a little bit hard. So if you are taking time on this, you can pause the video if you want. So I guess I don't need this part. See, it's not perfect, but it'll work. Draw that, the ocean and all of that part at the last. Now you have to draw two eyes. Like this. One eye and a second eye. Look, now let's draw a happy face. Wait, let me just draw them out proper. Just a second. See, this is how it should look like. And then this is additional, a tongue. Now, we have to draw the those places where they live. See? Rate it in the comments how do you like it. And the rest empty is all the ocean. Don't draw too much. Just don't draw too much in the center. It doesn't look nice. Yep, see? Now, a thumbs up. Wait a sec. You know guys how to draw thumbs up. Like that. Here you have to draw a thumbs up. See? Now even the other side. No, other side, if you want to draw, you can. But for me, I won't. It won't look nice. At least to my side. So thumbs up and then this is additional. Trees and houses. And apples also. Don't forget the apples. This is a little upside down. but I can still handle it. Now a house. It's a little hard to draw when it's upside down. But I can still handle it. Now, we have to just complete the pattern. It's like tree, plant, house. That's the pattern. Now, tree. If you want, you can just draw random. But I wanted this pattern. Tree. And yep, the apples. Now, the plant. And then the house. See, how does it look? Rate it in the comments. But we are not done yet. Here, before the tree, you should put a house. Look. Now the plant. And I told you can have any pattern or random. Now here, the tree. And I feel 3 apples is the best. And here, there's a plant. No, here is a house. Yep. Here is a house. Wait, this part got rubbed. And I'm doing it on whiteboard. That's why it's getting rubbed little. So, just 1 minute. Let me finish this side. See, I drew a tree here now. Now a plant. Now a house. Wait, I drew this too long up. Okay. See, the drawing is done. Rate it in the comments how do you like it. And next video, I will make it cooler. Bye!